Hi. Uh, I got this JT chain, which I thought is missing the connecting link or master link because the packaging is designed wrong. So if you are in the same situation, you can see here where is the connecting link, so you don't have to contact Amazon, which is where I ordered it from, or try to find out the solution in the internet, because I saw other people saying the connecting link is missing, so I guess I'm not the only one with this problem. Anyway, so what I did is just open the package. It came with the Amazon box also, which I searched more than once to see if the connecting link is there, but it was empty. Anyway, what made me realize the connecting link must be inside is that it says here RL at the end, which means riveting link, which means it has a connecting link. So I assumed it must be inside here. So what I did the first time, just opened the package, took off the chain, and you see it doesn't say anything that the connecting link is inside. They could have many solutions to this problem. They could tape the connecting link to the package with adhesive tape, or they could make it transparent here that you will see it's here. Anyway, I opened it. I thought maybe it's inside here, but I looked carefully. There is nothing here. This is just the chain. And what I did, I just did something like this. Nothing came out. And if I look inside, I don't see anything. But also, if you put your hand, but it's too thin for that. But if you put it in the light, you will see there is something inside. Or not. It's hard to see. That's the problem. The connecting link is stuck at the end of the box. So what you can do is open it from the other side, and then look what it is. It's right here. It's right here, stuck here at the end. I would never guess that. I just, after multiple checks, I finally found it. Already complained, made a better view that it's missing the connecting link, and send an email to Amazon that it's missing, but when I rechecked, I found it here. So now you know where it is, and that's all.